Hello tech enthusiast, welcome to the Garab's Tech. You need to hear this if you're a cybersecurity enthusiast ready to dive into hacking and cybersecurity. Whether you're a newbie, intermediate learner or advanced geek, I've got the ultimate list of projects to supercharge your skills and make that resume shine. We're talking about hands-on projects that'll take you from zero to hero. Let's get started. I have divided the project list into 3 categories, that is beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level. These projects are perfect for bachelor-level students and will help you build an impressive resume in the cybersecurity field that helps you to get good job opportunities. So let's understand the project ideas. Number 1. Keylogger. Let's kick things off with building your very own keylogger. Remember, we're all about ethical hacking here. This project is about understanding keyloggers to defend against them. You'll learn how keystrokes are captured, logged, and transmitted, but you'll also learn how to detect and prevent keyloggers on your systems. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to protect yourself and your data. Number 2. Port scanner with Python. We're diving into network reconnaissance with our very own port scanner. You'll learn to craft Python scripts that scan IP addresses and ports, identifying services on a target system. It's about understanding TCP and UDP protocols and interpreting responses. We'll cover common vulnerabilities and how to fortify your defenses. Number 3. Password Strength Analyzer. Let's face it, passwords are the first line of defense in the digital world. In this project, we're building our own Password Strength Analyzer. You'll use this knowledge to build a tool that analyzes passwords in real time, providing feedback on their strength and suggesting improvements. By the end of this project, you'll be the go-to expert for creating uncrackable passwords. Number 4. Secure File Encryption Decryption. We're entering the world of cryptography, where data transforms into unreadable gibberish for anyone without the secret key. This project is about building your own secure file encryption and decryption tool. You'll learn how to encrypt and decrypt files using Python. We'll cover key management best practices and the importance of strong, unique keys. By the end of this project, you'll be able to protect your data with top-level security. Number 5. Packet Sniffer. Ever wonder what secrets your network traffic holds? We're building our own packet sniffer. We'll use tools like Wireshark to capture packets, dissecting their headers and payloads. Learn to filter and analyze traffic, identifying suspicious patterns and potential intrusions. It's like having X-ray vision into the digital world. Number 6. Steganography tool. Let's talk about steganography, the art of hiding data in plain sight. This project is about building your own steganography tool, embedding secret messages within images, audio files, or text documents. You'll learn how to embed and detect hidden data. This project dives into covert communication and digital espionage. Number 7. Firewall time to build your own line of defense with a basic firewall using Python. Learn the fundamentals of firewall rules, blocking specific IP addresses, ports, or protocols. Use Python socket programming to intercept network traffic and apply custom rules. We'll cover concepts like packet filtering and stateful inspection. Number 8. Brute Force Attack Simulator. We're stepping into the shoes of an attacker by building a brute force attack simulator. Write scripts that generate password combinations, testing them against a target system. Analyze how password complexity affects the time to crack a password. This project highlights the importance of strong passwords. Number 9. Web App Pen Testing. Get ready to hack like a pro with web application penetration testing. Use OWASP Juice Shop to practice real-world hacking techniques. Learn about OWASP Top 10 vulnerabilities and use tools like Burp Suite to exploit them. Understand how to fix vulnerabilities and make web applications more secure. Number 10. DNS Spoofing Attack. Uncover the secrets of DNS spoofing attacks. Set up a controlled environment to perform a DNS spoofing attack. Understand DNS caching, server vulnerabilities, and how attackers exploit these weaknesses. Explore techniques like DNS SE to prevent these attacks. Number 11. Automated Pen Testing Tool. Build an automated penetration testing tool. Use Python to create a tool that performs port scanning, vulnerability assessment, and basic exploitation. Understand the methodology behind penetration testing. This project gives you a taste of being a cybersecurity professional. Number 12. Bug Bounty and CTF Challenges. Test your skills with bug bounty programs and capture the flag competitions. Explore platforms like HackerOne to find vulnerabilities and earn bug bounties. Dive into CTF competitions to solve security challenges and capture flags. These challenges push your skills to the limit. Number 13. Honeypot. Build a honeypot to attract and analyze malicious activity. Use tools like Cowrie to create realistic-looking honeypots. Monitor logs and analyze attacker activity to gain insights. Extract valuable information to strengthen your defenses. Number 14. Wi-Fi deauthentication. Dive into Wi-Fi deauthentication attacks. Use tools like aircrack-ing to perform a controlled deauthentication attack. Learn how deauthentication frames disconnect devices from the network. Explore techniques to prevent and mitigate Wi-Fi deauthentication attacks. Number 15. Malware analysis and reverse engineering. Dissect malicious code with malware analysis and reverse engineering. Use tools like IDA Pro to analyze malware samples. Understand techniques used by malware authors to evade detection. This project equips you with skills to defend against digital threats. Number 16. Zero-day vulnerability. Research. Dive into zero-day vulnerability research. Explore techniques like fuzzing to find unknown security flaws. Understand operating systems, programming languages, and software exploitation. Discovering a zero-day vulnerability can lead to industry recognition. Number 17. Advanced honeypot system. Build an advanced honeypot system to lure attackers. Use virtualization technologies to create a network of interconnected honeypots. Configure honeypots with realistic data to engage attackers. Extract detailed information about attacker methods. Number 18. Security information and event management. Build a basic CM system to collect and analyze security data. Use tools like Elk Stack to create a centralized log management platform. Create dashboards and alerts to visualize security events. Use CM rules to detect suspicious activity and provide real-time monitoring. Number 19. Threat intelligence platform. Build a basic threat intelligence platform. Collect, analyze, and share threat information to stay ahead of emerging threats. Use open-source intelligence gathering techniques and threat feeds. Integrate threat intelligence into your security tools and processes. Number 20. Red team versus blue team simulation. Time to put your skills to the ultimate test with a red team versus blue team simulation. Experience a full-blown cyber war game with red team attacking and blue team defending. Gain hands-on experience with real-world attack and defense techniques. Develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills under pressure. This project prepares you for real-world cybersecurity challenges. Number 21. Cybersecurity research paper. Write a research paper to make a lasting contribution to cybersecurity. Dive deep into a specific topic, conduct original research, and share your findings. Formulate research questions, conduct literature reviews, and analyze data. Enhance your writing and presentation skills. Number 22. Internships and certification. Translate your knowledge into a rewarding cybersecurity career. Explore top internships at companies like Google and Microsoft. Discuss industry-recognized certifications like CompTIA Security Plus and CEH. Take the final steps to launch your cybersecurity career. Which project are you going to start with? These projects will build your resume, strengthen your knowledge, and prepare you for a great career. Let me know in the comments below which project has you the most hyped. And if you want more hacking content, hit that like, share, and subscribe button right now. We've got a lot more ground to cover in the world of cybersecurity, from ethical hacking techniques to the latest cyber threats. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay ethical.